Well, if you're looking to add a little cardio in your life but you don't have a gym membership, Cami Craig and Melissa Carlson have you covered in this week's Finding Fit.
Well, we are joined now with Cami Craig from Cami Craig Fitness on Longley. You can find her on Facebook and her Facebook page. And we're talking about some things to do at home, at work, wherever, super easy to get you started off with your week right. Maybe a little bit of jump start the exercise, if you will.
Yeah.
Cami, we're doing probably what people are like, no.
They dread it. They dread it.
The cardio.
Yeah.
Why is it you think people just dislike it so much?
It's boring.
Yeah.
You know, it can be very, very stagnant and the same thing. I get on the Stairmaster again, you know, and we're in a day and age where time is precious, okay? And so we don't need to be at the gym for an hour or 2 hours sweating like crazy. So what we're going to do today is a HIIT rotation, which is a high-intensity interval training set. And as you know, and hopefully a lot of people at home know, that it doesn't have to be done more than 10 to 20 minutes, and you can make your own formula and recipe.
Write it down, see what you like, see what didn't work for you, what didn't get your heart rate going. Now, what are we starting off with?
Okay, so my girl, you're going to go max jumps as your first set.
Okay.
So let's pretend that this whole set is on the minute marker.
Okay.
So for 1 minute, you're going to do max jumps. 1 minute, she's going to do burpees with a push-up. The next minute, and then I'll just progress from there. And then, like you said, write it down and create your own formula and do this for 10 to 20 minutes and put it on your iPhones. Push, start, go.
Push, start, and go. You do it anywhere, at the park, wherever, with the kids around?
Park, yeah. And I would really like to see this at the office, like IGT or something.
Yeah, if you're doing this in the office, give us video, send it to us. We want to see it.
Oh,
we'll figure out something for you.
Yep. Okay, so max jumps. Go ahead, 3, 2, 1. So what she's doing is she's bending her knees, she's touching the floor all the way and up overhead. Now, if you want to make this a little bit more, should I say, entertaining?
Difficult?
Clap overhead. So
I hate clapping. I don't know why it bothers me to clap.
I just like the noise.
You know I never clap on these.
Okay, so that's 1 minute, 59, 60. Now I go down for a burpee. Okay, so a burpee is a max jump down for a push-up. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Up. And then she's going to go down. She gives a push-up. She jumps back up high to the sky. Now, if you need to, you can modify this, and you can go knees on the floor, and then you can go your push-up. Are you tired already?
No. No.
Okay. Round 2. So this is her 3rd minute. Go normal jump jacks, okay? Normal jump jacks, and up, and up. Good. Now, if you want to advance this jump jack up, she can cross her feet, and keep jump jacking.
I don't remember these.
And up, yes. Good. And then you want to act, I always say with your jump jacks, act like you're holding a 1 pounder or 2 pounds in your hand. So be more of a flex cardio. So you're braced and tightened up there. Okay, so military jump jacks.
I'll let you show these.
Oh, you're fine. Okay, so military jump jacks is hands up above your head or lightly behind the ears. And you're in a little low squat, and it's inside, outside, in, and out. And to modify, just stay low in that squat position and just step out, opposed to the hard impact jumping. So if you did want this as your hit and you're like, I don't really jump, do everything with a step, okay?
If people have questions, how can they get a hold of you?
Please get a hold of me at my email, Cami@CamiCraigFitness.com. You can get a hold of me on my Facebook, /Cami Craig, or my Instagram, Cami Craig, CAMIE.
She's all over the place. And we're going to be posting this on our Facebook page as well. Thanks, Cam.
Thanks so much for having me, Mel.